Hello, I am Girish Hotwani, currently pursuing BTech from Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, specialized in computer engineering. I am recently placed in Barclays through on-campus placement drives. I have even done internship with Larsen and Turbo Infotech as a full-stack developer. I have even won two hackathons conducted by Principal Global Services and Western Union. I started my journey at Impetus in the year 2019 by taking up the Java SE course under the guidance of Rishikesh sir. I felt that the course was very well structured. The most important thing which I learned from sir was taking up the ownership of the tasks that are assigned to you and even working on the small assignments. These assignments sometimes used to lead to long discussions with sir, and the knowledge which I gained from these discussions surely helped me in my journey. I used to like the way sir used to approach any problem, be it related to Java or some other course. The only thing which I can suggest everyone is take up any course at Impetus and emerge as one of the best at that course. I am really thankful to the Impetus team and sir for playing a key role in my achievements and in making me a better and a clean coder. I really look forward to contribute to Impetus and learn many more courses from Rishikesh sir. Thank you.